Hello everyone, welcome back to our tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to connect a Godaddy domain to WordPress. First of all, you need to go to the wordpress.com website and go to your dashboard. After that, navigate to Upgrades and then open the Domains page. Once you open it, click on Add a Domain and select Use a Domain I Own from the drop-down menu. After that, type your domain name here and click Next. Then you will see two options, Transfer or Connect. Click the Select button next to connect your domain. After that, click the Start Setup button. If you want a simple setup to configure your domain, click on Start Setup. After that, you will need to log into your Godaddy account and then click the Connect button to complete the process. Then you will be taken back to this page with a message that we are verifying your connection now. The other option is to do a manual setup. For this, you need to log into your Godaddy domain portfolio. After that, tick the checkboxes next to the domain you wish to connect. Then select Name Servers from the Action menu. After that, click on More and then click on Edit Name Servers. After that, choose the I will use my own name servers option. Then add these values and then select Save and Continue. Then you need to wait for 72 hours for the DNS to update. So now the final step is to go to Upgrades and then Domains and then select your domain as a primary domain. After that, your domain will be connected. So this was how to connect your domain to WordPress. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.